guys, it's time for this section. Let me start fitting it. It's right here, and I'll be back in a second. All right, gotta make quite a few adjustments back there and here. Look at that, it's uneven. I gotta straighten it out, make an even cut so I can close that gap. Hopefully it'll close that little gap right there. I can straighten this out with a marker when I get it in place. Of course, I've always cut more than I need, so I'll get the marker behind here, but this is the first thing I want to cut here. I want to even this out first to kind of get my bearings to see where I'm at. All right, got a mark. So I gotta shave that off for right now. We just do like we did that piece. Inch it back millimeters or centimeters at a time. Gotta measure up where I'm at now. I gotta make some markings. Pretty much made it straight. Got it there, so I'm gonna go here with the marker and see and mark out where I'm cutting out at. I'm gonna get it close as possible. Can't mess with that. It's gonna drop some, so this is over this piece, so it's gonna come down some. So that should close up some. On the back side through there, I gotta get the mark right there as well. So I'm gonna do that now. Let's see what we come up with. You know, don't forget it has to drop some, so I'm gonna make that cut close. But it's gonna look amazing when I'm done. Everything that's lined up. All these grooves lined up with that. This gonna line up with this. All right, let me mark it up. All right, we got pretty much where I need to cut at for right now. And then here, it's gotta come straight down so I can get that pattern and kind of make it just like so. You gotta trim much off. So I cut enough off, but as you can see, I still had a decent. So I'm gonna put this in a vise and I'm gonna trim this up. Okay, I have to make a run. I just got back. Just cut this piece off. This thing is a beast. Cut this off too. Yeah, let's fit it now. Let's see what we got. Also cut that as well with the angle, with the cutoff wheel. So let's see how we fit now. Close, close, close. This is great. I like this. I like how all that is. I like all that. Got to notch off a piece there. Little gap there. We're not worried about that. We're gonna make that nice. And I think I gotta come here some more. This is okay. Well, I'm making come. I'm gonna slice this off and make me a straight line, and slice that, and we should be. Everything else should be perfect. Okay, knock that little corner off right there, and make a nice slice here. I gotta trim off a little bit more on this side than this side. Let's see, you can see a seam there. Somewhat can't see nothing here. It's under. So let me tuck this. Let me cut that real quick. pretty straight on now. That's that little piece off. So let's see what we got. Let's go see. All right, this is almost in here perfect. I'm satisfied with these pieces. This is gonna be great. However, I'm too tall by a little bit. I'm hitting right there too early and right there. Cause look, I'm high. So I gotta come down some here. And I should have not cut that off, that little piece right there. So let me get a mark and mark my high spots. So I can come on down while I'm touching it. Look at that. A little bit at a time, a little bit at a time. We're pretty close, but we're up here. I see why. And here. We got a spot there, and we're hitting right there. That's pretty good. So we got it. Oh, we got here. And we'll come here some to lower it. We should be good. Alright guys, I got this piece pretty close. It's gonna be very, very, very good fit when I'm done. And it's gonna look great. So let me let's weld. Okay guys, I'm tacked in. I didn't have the gas on right here. No gas. This is what you want. So let me start going around with this. That sun is blazing on my camera. So I'll be back in a second when I get some more tacks in. Alright guys, we're good now. We're good now. It's coming along nice. And that's pretty much done. There's a nice little gap that I have to close up, but everything is perfect. I can have everything, all the shapes line up. So, as you guys can see, I got a nice little gap back there. I'm about to mess with that right now. And then I'll do this, finish this off, and tomorrow to beat that piece. Guys. Got me a wheel to hold it in place so I can put everything in line perfectly. Even that top section there, they have to meet perfect. So, pretty much there. It's all shape. It's flush. This is flush. Okay, I just hung up my helmet for today. I am done with this one. Turned out pretty good. Very happy with it. Everything I wanted to do, I accomplished. Look at the symmetry. Everything's lined up perfect. So the next repair, or the final rust repair, well, not the final because I found something, is that I'll be doing that tomorrow. I also just found this. I'm gonna fix that as well. But turned out great. Turned out great. Everything is back perfect. Once those get grinded down, those welds, it won't even be noticeable. So, knock that out. Very pleased with how that turned out. Alright, till the next video, be showing the white and blue Mustang some love. Hopefully by next week, I'll be dropping the engine in this thing. I'm really working, guys. I'm working extremely hard to knock these projects out. But, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Terrence, I'm out.